Hi guys, today we are seeing how to import opening balances in the Odoo accounting. Before start actual process of importing, let's understand related things. Okay, so let's start with what is the opening balance. So related to any business assessed current I mean current business asset or any payable amount, any receivable amounts, what is current liabilities for that business. So all this kind of data will be covered in the openings balances in the Odoo, I mean in the accountings. And okay, and why we need to import this. So before I mean when we start Odoo accounting phrase, if business is existing or already running, it's most probability to have some opening balance related to it could be receivable, it could be payables, it could be asset, it could be liabilities. So this all kind of informations accounts data we need to add in the Odoo accounting for the correct and good start accounting. Okay, and let's start to import the data opening balance. First of all, I am just okay. Now before import opening balance, we should ensure some required configuration in the Odoo, and it should be correct. So I am currently at the company level in the Odoo, and here's no any country or no any country config at the company level. It is a main company of the my Odoo ERP. Okay, so I am taking example for the Belgium country. So first of all, I add country of the company, and also currency will be auto set, and if have any tax ID, it should be add, and is adding all Belgium country level configuration and related accounting informations. So it is loading. Okay, it's set. Then second, um, related fiscal localization should have set. Please check. If not, it is related to company country. You can set as according to country of company. Okay, so it is auto set, or it is a set on the set country at the company level. So I don't need to any change here. And third one is please check chart of accounts at the accounting configurations, and here's a chart of accounts. Basically it will be auto add all chart of accounts for the specific country accounting legalities. Okay, so on set fiscal localizations, it will be completely and correctly automatically set. If it is not found any chart of accounts for which you need to use, you can add manually. Okay, now let's move on our importing opening balance importing process. Okay, so for that, first of all, let's check what we need to at the data level. So here I have opened a sheet, and here you can see I have some opening balance related data. Uh, it will be prepared from the your existing ERP data, or if you are not using any existing ERP and you are running a business, so in that case you need to add or prepare this data manually. Currently I have prepared this, and here you can see we are setting date of opening balance is 31st March 2025. Then general name is OPB, that is the opening balance, and just reference, just ignore reference. And here, yes, this is the main part. Here you can see I have some issued capitals more than 1 years, asset, research and development cost, furniture value. Okay, so it is according to yours, and it will be different business to business. So okay, and here's it in the Belgium accounting. We have a suspense account at the chart of accounts level. So we will add here our payable and receivable in the suspense account, only because for the correctly sync our payable and receivables from the invoices and bills imports. So here we are manually import that data for the correctly match for now. Okay, and let's go on our Odoo screen. For the import opening balance, we need to add one journals under the okay, that is the opening balance. Type will be miscellaneous, and sort for opening balance OPB. Okay, and it is as per the general shortcut. Just go back, and here before opening any balance at the reportings general ledgers, you can see we have no any data. Okay, now move on accounting general entries. Now we are importing this our opening information in the general entries. For that, just create a new one, and no, sorry. For that, just create click on actions, and click on import records. Here you need to upload that data file, and select that opening balance 2025 Excel sheets, and select your sheet. Okay, this column, all sheet column will be automatically mapped with the Odoo fields. Here you can see date is Odoo field date mapped, general, reference, accounts, account name. Okay, it's no need to account name, it is this ones. Okay, no need to map because we already mapped account via codes, so it automatically fetch. And one more things, this date should would be before the go live date, and yeah, already just test it. Everything seems valid. Now let's import this. Okay, then you can see we have imported one general entries with all our general opening balances, different balances data. Okay, we need to post, or we need to post this general before go live. It should be, because after go live, the ERP might have a comes different transactions and entries, so it there are chances to mismatch and mixed all our opening and pending entries. So we need to post this opening balance before the go lives. Okay, I am posting, just post. Now you can see that data in the general ledgers. Here you can see what we have assessed, how much we have liabilities, and yeah, one most important things, suspense accounts. Okay, here you can see it is 58 debit and 1 lakh 12,568.36 euro credit. Okay, so this will be we will going to mapped by our debtor and creditor informations. I mean our invoices and bills data. Okay, so for the same sheet, in the same sheet I also have some receivables and some payables data. So it is currently it is a current receivable which I need to add in the ERP for the future purpose and tracking purpose. Okay, so I'm just importing that invoicings, import records, select same files, select sheets. If everything seems okay, yeah, we need to build date. Okay, and what is build date? 360. Okay, it is before March. Okay, fine, just test it. Okay, we need to create all customer before import invoices. So, and I'm just duplicating and to customers, invoices, new, create, save and close. Second, simultaneously I am also creating our vendors. I'm creating all vendor and invoices without any address for the testing purpose. Okay, so now let's import. Now just load data file again here, creating Here you can see everything seems valid. Just import and select all, validate, confirm entries, done. Same for this, it should be before the go lives. Next, vendors, import, we need to follow same process for as per the receivable. Okay, now let's go at ledger reports, and yes, you can see, sorry, we need to post also, we also need to post vendor bills. Just confirm entries, go to ledgers, refresh, and here you can see our customers, I mean debtor, and our supplier creditors reflected at the ledgers, and our suspense account it is mapped, it is matched, so it is our creditor and supplier correctly imported. Okay, and in this video, that's all. We will see our next process in the next video. Thank you guys, bye.